In this Circuits of the Past video, we see a compilation of Hermann's 2 visits to the old and new Clermont-Ferrand Circuit. On Wednesday, the 5th of July 2017, Hermann arrived for the first time at the gate of the current Charade Circuit. It was after a long ride from southern France where he spent his vacation and visited a few other racetracks. Rumours of outstanding warrants are unfounded. Of course this roundabout was not part of the layout of the circuit. Don't go giving Mr. Tilk any more ideas. The gate to the circuit remained closed, but the circuit director agreed to meet Hermann the next day. Today, Hermann would focus on filming the lost part of the old Clermont-Ferrand Circuit, which is now a public road with a small abandoned section to boot. We're now underway for Hermann's first lap on the old street circuit. While you enjoy the footage, I'll give you some more details about the history of the circuit. The Clermont-Ferrand track was a street circuit around an extinct volcano in the Puy-de-Dôme region of France. The 5-mile-long circuit opened in 1958 and contained a challenging mix of different corners and elevation changes. For that reason, it was nicknamed the French Nürburgring. The old Clermont-Ferrand Circuit hosted the Formula 1 French Grand Prix 4 times between the years of 1965 and 1972. When the old Clermont-Ferrand circuit was deemed too dangerous, it lost the French Grand Prix and other international races. From then onwards until 1988, it was used for national races, when the street circuit closed to motorsport for good. However, the General Council of Puy-de-Dôme recognised the interest of a circuit to the local economy. So with their financial support, a new 2.47-mile circuit was built. Just like Spa-Francorchamps, they used part of the old circuit and built a new extension. The new circuit opened in 1989 and it was now a permanent racetrack, known under the name Circuit de Charade. As you see, the old circuit is still there as public road. This banked corner was Hermann's favourite corner of the old circuit. For his next lap, he'd want to do this a little bit faster. Actually, Hermann should have turned left here into the abandoned section. The moment he passed this junction, though, he realised he'd passed it. Beep beep. Turn around when possible. So he decided to follow this road back to the current Charade Circuit and restart his lap on the old circuit again. Back at his favourite corner for the second time, Hermann wanted to take it a little bit faster. But bad luck. There was a slow car entering the road in front of him, clearly on their way to a did not qualify. However, he was also lucky he could overtake him in one fell swoop and build up speed for the fast climbing section. After this, Hermann took the entry to the abandoned section and parked the car. He had to explore the abandoned part of the circuit by foot. Here you see an old guardrail. The stones along the circuit are volcanic rocks. It's not just the car engines that shake the ground around here. This track visit ends at the fence for today, but behind the fence is the current circuit, which Herman will visit tomorrow. Fast forward a night of filth, and here we are on Thursday the 6th of July 2017. The circuit director had expected Herman and opened the gates for him. They drove over a part of the old version of the circuit to reach the current Charade Circuit, where the director drove a slow lap around the track. While you enjoy the footage, I'll shut my mouth for once, and you can hear the original sound of the circuit director talking to Herman.
So 35 big box, the grandstand, since 1959. Exercise for learning center in a learning driving school to learn driving.
In front you'll see the old track, but we turn right to the new section. This was built after the closure of the old street circuit in 1988 to keep the circuit operational. We now enter the connection with the old Clermont-Ferrand circuit.
Connection with the old track?
Yeah. You want to take a photo?
If possible, yeah.
As you see, the circuit director drives back so Hermann can take a quick video shot from the old connection. However, when Hermann stepped back into the car, the circuit director started driving off immediately, so Hermann had no time to fasten his seatbelt. That's why you hear that annoying alarm sound. Visions of previous police encounters must be haunting him right now. This cool descending part reminds Hermann of the Fugstora at the Nürburgring, but unfortunately at the German Nürburgring they don't quite have the same hospitality as they do here at the French one. Great, that annoying noise has stopped.
Et voilà.
Once the lap had completed, the circuit director showed Hermann the press room and the control tower. From the control tower, you have a great view over the current Charade Circuit, the last mountain circuit in France. After the control tower, they visited the old grandstand, which was built back in 1959. When the circuit director drove Herman back to the entrance, he again took off before Herman could fasten his seatbelt, so apologies for that annoying noise once again. So that's Herman's 2 visits to the old Clermont-Ferrand Circuit and the current Charade Circuit. For more information about circuits of the past, visit the website www.circuitsofthepast.com. There you can download a free ebook about 7 abandoned racetracks that you can visit legally. For now though, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next video from another iconic circuit from the past.